Guys, it's Fonzie with DipYourCar.com, world famous peelable auto paints, and I want to get weird with this one. I want to get weird because we do a lot of projects that are very predictable. We know they're going to come out great, and they end up coming out exactly as we assume they would. Once in a while, we do a project that is just off the wall. We have no testing behind it. We don't know if it's going to come out good at all, and whether it comes out great or horrible, we share the results with you. We've done some in the past that have really surprised us in a wonderful way, and some in the past that just look terrible, and we show it to you either way. Now, a lot of people know that if you use a white color shifting pearl over a white base, it gives you a wonderful result. We actually did that a while back. I think we put Nordic over a white base on our S4. Magical result, looks wonderful. What I want to know is, what if you put a white color shifting pearl on top of a light gray base like Avalanche Grey? Now here's my thought pattern. Light gray is clearly darker than white. Now with a white color shifting pearl, the darker the base, all the way up to black, the more of a color effect you're going to get. So what if you use something like gray that's not quite white but not quite black? Are you going to get no color? Are you going to get some color? Is it going to look like mud because of the gray base? There's only one way to find out. And thing is, I usually know when a project is going to go well because it makes our shop manager, Gabe, super nervous. And his exact words for this idea when I told him I want to put a white color shifting pearl over a gray base was, "That's going to be ugly, we shouldn't do it," which is exactly why I want to try it. Let's jump into the project and see how it turns out. This car is a perfect example as to why you should never be afraid to think outside the box. I don't know when it's appropriate to say "I told you so," but I'm going to fire a couple of those off today because this car came out absolutely beautiful. I know Gabe is very conservative, he's very focus-minded, but when you go weird, sometimes it pays off. Now, the white color shifting pearl over an Avalanche Grey base is probably my new favorite thing of all time. You get the ghosting effect that you would over a white base, but far more intense. This car is a bubble of magic. I absolutely love it. I cannot wait to get it outside to show it to you guys. The Avalanche Grey base, obviously super simple to put down, and then whatever white color shifting pearl you want will go right on top. We used Cobra on this one because we wanted the blue to green shift. I love it. We used the glossy version of the Dip Pearl top coat, which is obviously going to give you the most clarity. You probably want to stick with that one for a project like this, but again, don't be afraid to experiment because wonderful, magical things happen just like this. Now, if you want to do this exact color on your car, super simple, click right up here. It'll bring you to the Pro Car Kits where all you have to do is select the size of your vehicle and it will include everything you need to do this exact look. But if you have any questions at all, email us, CustomerService@DipYourCar.com. Chat with us directly on the website. You can even call in and speak to a rep. Again, let's get it outside so you can check it out and appreciate it. It's Fonzie. I will see you on the next video.